Vietnamese-style flaky fish is baked in a beautiful caramel sauce with coconut and aromats for days. It's Flavour Friday again. My name is Ruby from the School of Wok in Covent Garden, and today I'm going to show you a caramelised Vietnamese fish. So I have got some cod here. You could use hake or a monkfish. Any white meaty fish will work really well. And over here I have got some of our flavours. So we've got some Thai shallots, we've got some spring onions, we've got some bird's eye chilies. You can add as many or as little as you like. I've got some galangal, which is that really beautifully perfumed ginger. I've got some kaffir lime leaf and some garlic. Okay, so that's ready to go. Now let's make our sauce. Okay, so it's a caramelized fish. So the caramelization is coming from our sauce. So we are adding in sugar to a medium heat pan. We don't want it too hot to bubble away and burn it, but we need to melt our sugar and let it get some color. So as you can see, this sugar is starting to melt. We need it all to be melted and then let it get some color. If you add any liquid in too soon, you won't get that really caramel color that we're after. So we're looking to cook it off a bit. Resist any temptation to touch sugar. It, believe it or not, gets blinding hot and will give you one of the nastiest burns you've ever experienced. It's lava. It's lava. Okay, so that's the kind of point that we want to get it to, that really deep caramel color. It's fizzing and bubbling away. Now we're going to add in some coconut milk. So high fat coconut milk. And we are going to let that caramel melt into it. Ooh, mama. Now that our coconut milk and our caramel has blended together so nicely, that color is looking incredible. We're going to season it with some fish sauce. So I've got about 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. So you're gonna get that real balance of the salty and sweet. Give it a good mix, and then we can pour it straight over our fish. So our sauce comes up to pretty much just to the top of that fish, and it's going to kind of steam and soak into our fish. So I'm gonna get it in the oven. I've got it on 180, and we'll put it in for about 20 to 30 minutes. So our fish has just come out of the oven. It's been in there for about 20-25 minutes, and you can see that it is cooked perfectly. It's really starting to flake. It smells absolutely incredible in here. I've got some freshly steamed rice that we're gonna serve it straight up into. Oh my God. Make sure you get nice big chunks of fish and all that caramelly juice. And then we're going to garnish it very simply with spring onions and fresh red chilies. Whew, and there you have it. This is my version of a caramelized Vietnamese baked fish. That sauce is so rich and tasty. The fish is steamed through perfectly and it's flaky and meaty. This is a sensational dish. I really hope you can try it at home. So tell me in the comments below, what is your super simple way of cooking fish? Thanks again for tuning in to Flavour Friday here at the School of Wok. Please remember, subscribe to our channel, hit that bell for notifications. If you want to make this dish, then the recipe is in the link below.
Hey guys, thank you so much for supporting us on Patreon so far. We are launching our new Discord server and new tiers for Patreon on the 13th of September, where you can get involved with the new chat system, with all our great new content that's going to come out soon. We can't wait to see you there on the new tiers.